In today's episode, I'm delighted to introduce you to Kimberly Ogborne. Kimberly is a recent client of the Business Advisory Center Durham, also known as the BACD, and a participant of the Starter Company Plus program. BACD strives to be the go-to business resource for individuals looking to start or grow a business in the Durham region. We are one of 54 centers across Ontario. Our mission, that our entrepreneurs we serve achieve business success. You're invited to visit our website at bacd.ca to learn more about us. Now back to Kimberly. Kimberly is owner of My Canadian Home, a professional organizing service. She is a member of Professional Organizers in Canada Association, POC, and serves on the Durham Region chapter's executive board as marketing coordinator. Kimberly's passion is to help families, specifically busy women, to clear the clutter by using her minimalist organizing method, which promotes beauty, function, and peace. Kimberly is a wife and mom to 3 kids and enjoys going on day adventures with her family to explore Ontario. She loves coffee, dessert, and good conversation. For the last 10 years, Kimberly has been a full-time SAHM, which we're going to find out more about in a minute, and recently has gone full-time this past summer with her business. Her superpower, organizing, which makes sense to me. Welcome, Kimberly. So happy you could join us today.
Thanks, Patrice, for that nice introduction. And like you said, I have a passion to help busy women, especially women who feel overwhelmed with the state of their home. And that's why My Canadian Home exists, to be able to encourage, inspire, and to equip these women to live with less so that they can spend more time doing the things that they love with the people they love. And the SAHM means stay-at-home mom. I have been a stay-at-home mom for the past 10 years, and now is my absolute joy to be going full-time with my business.
Okay, so that was because you said recently has gone full-time. This past makes sense now. But I love that SAHM. That's it, and it's such an important role, right? And to your point, a lot of busy women are also business owners. And for many of them, it's come about because they want to stay closer to home or they want to have flex hours. Was that similar part of the reasoning for you?
Absolutely. My family is my number one priority, and to be able to spend time with them, going to their activities, or even when they're homesick, I can be able to be there for them. And that's one of the reasons I wanted to start my own business and be my own boss, to have that flexible hours. And now I have a greater understanding of business women, of just how they have all of this pressure to either run their own business or go to work and then come home and have the pressures of home, and then come home to a home that they don't feel at peace at. So that's where I come in and be able to take that stress off them so they can relax at their home.
I love it. And right now we're still in a pandemic, or still in trying to work out these new times, but more and more of us are choosing or have no choice but to work from home. So that makes sense, because our spaces now, there are even new roles and responsibilities under each of those spaces.
Absolutely. There's multi-purpose spaces.
Correct. So what prompted you then to reach out to us, to the BACD?
I knew I needed the expertise, advice, and training from the BACD to help get my business up and running full time.
And since reaching out, how has BACD helped you? Or more specifically, what are some of the resources that you actually took advantage of at the BACD?
Absolutely. They've helped me build my confidence as a business owner, to be able to take those chances, those risks that maybe I wouldn't have taken before, but now that I'm taking, because I've received coaching, I've received accountability, which has been very helpful for me to stay on track with my business goals.
As a new business owner, what has surprised you the most from the experience so far?
All the hats that we have to wear as a business owner. It can be definitely overwhelming at time, being, the marketing director, the administrative, and then, the CEO, all these hats that we have to wear. But it's been so helpful being with the BACD because they help you organize the different roles and how to go about doing that. So that has been very vital to me.
Fabulous. So as we wrap this up, is there anything you would like to share with the viewers or listeners regarding your business? Who do you serve, or how should they reach you? And maybe even an example of how you might be able to help them. So what is the benefits of hiring a professional organizer?
Well, I provide in-home services in Durham Region. I also provide virtual services throughout Canada and the United States, as well as coaching services for professional organizers who want to learn how to implement a virtual service in their business. So what I do, how you get a hold of me, I can visit my website at minimalistorganizing.ca. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at My Canadian Home. We all live in such a busy world, and right now, chaotic world. So we need to go home to a place where we can find rest and peace. So if you are feeling overwhelmed in your home, if you're feeling stressed, if you're feeling hours, if you're doing hours of cleaning and organizing over and over again, that's where a professional organizer comes in and helps you solve those problems and makes your home feel more relaxed and peace, and be able to have your home functioning the way that it needs to be.
Excellent. What's the saying? Something, peace of mind or uncluttered mind provides or allows space for so much more creativity.
Absolutely.
And yeah, absolutely. So that's wonderful, Kimberly. And for our viewers, listeners, just want to remind you that although Kimberly was or is part of the Start a Company Plus program, if for some reason you're not eligible for an entrepreneurial program, we offer many core services at the BACD to help you, the individual who's looking to start or grow a business in the region. And we do so through workshops, many of which are free, so no cost to you, through meetings with an advisor, so you can meet with us one-on-one, similar to what we're doing now via Zoom, which is amazing. And of course, to some of our amazing events, such as the Do It in Durham, which we celebrate during Global Entrepreneurship Week, which happens in November, and other signature events throughout the year. So I hope that you take this opportunity, that you've had some inspiration or motivation from Kimberly on her experience with the BACD, and more specifically being a business owner, what that can provide for you. And if you're interested, then check us out, bacd.ca. If you're looking for organization or organizing tips, be sure to follow Kimberly and check her out on her website. Thank you so much for joining us today. Kimberly, I wish you continued success and many, many sales as you move forward with your business. And if you need more help, you know how to reach us.
Absolutely. Thank you.
You're welcome.